Hi. Well, this is our 5th week. I have a little bit of a frog in my throat. We have a concert in a couple of weeks, my friend and I, and I've been singing a lot. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you briefly about this PowerPoint. We're starting to move into, for the next couple of weeks, really getting involved in understanding what prevention is and taking a look at it from several different angles. So that'll be interesting and important for you. What you're supposed to do this week is to watch the Frontline episode of crack cocaine. Crack epidemic is what it's called. You'll have to find it on the Frontline. You can find it on the blackboard, and then you have to put it in the little box, and it'll take you right to it. In addition to that, I want you to read the seminal article on prevention that two people wrote, Albie and Ryan Finn. It's got some really interesting perspectives on what goes on with prevention and why it isn't so popular in the medical community. Read that. Also remember that it was written quite a while ago, so things have changed since then. You were supposed to read a chapter in Lewis and Lewis, but I've decided to cancel that one for this week. You guys are starting to feel a little overloaded to me in what we were doing. So in addition to the stuff on prevention that you need to read and take a look at and then answer questions in the dialogue box on the discussion board, I've also included in the PowerPoint two really important things for you about future assignments that you're going to need to do. One is your agency evaluation paper that will be due, it's due March 30th, so you got some time to do that. But the things that you need to know and need to have in order to do that piece of work is on PowerPoint, so you should start to plan ahead. In addition to that, I also have some information in regards to the community counseling project that you're going to do. And I'd like you to do that in groups, if possible. So the Blackboard has the capacity to set up groups on it so that you can communicate with each other back and forth and maybe get together once in a while. But there's some real interesting, good information there about the kinds of things I want you to do to do a community project. So there's a lot to do, but at this point you need to start planning what you're going to be doing over the course of the next couple of months and how you're going to get it done. Because there are several projects that you need to do in addition to the reading and things like that. And it's important that you keep up with the reading and that you also continue to participate in the discussion board. Those all count as points towards you, and you need to know that. So I hope that gives you some information about this week and what you're going to be doing, mostly prevention for the next couple of weeks. But you also do need to be planning out some of these things, the projects that you have to be doing. So if you have any questions, as always, give me a call or email me and I'll let you know. The IMCA conference is coming up pretty soon, and one of our students won a free trip to Disney World. No, it's really just to the IMCA conference. So, Miss Hunter, congratulations to you on doing that, and I look forward to seeing some of you at the IMCA conference and then later on to help us with the ISCA conference. Anyway, that's all I have to say. I hope you're having a good weekend and that life is doing well for you. Enjoy. Have a good day.